Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a cup of coffee or something delicious to drink because we are cleaning and decorating today. In today's video, we're going to be just doing a little bit of tidying up around the living room and entryway, as you can see here. And then we're going to be styling these spaces for early summer. So basically from now until probably the end of June, which is when I will switch out to my patriotic decor. So here is a good before look at the spaces that we're going to be doing today. This is our main living room in our house, and then also I will show you the small entryway table that I have decorated. But first, I just want to quickly say thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've posted, and I apologize for that, but summer has been kicking my butt lately. We've been really busy the past 2 weekends in a row, and so at first it was that I couldn't film one weekend, and then with just Grant being out of his Parents' Day Out program for the past month, I just really haven't had as much dedicated time to work on my videos, but he did start school back this week, and so hopefully I will be back to a normal posting schedule. So we are ready to dive into cleaning and decorating today. Taking a sip of coffee, of course. I actually filmed this video just during Grant's quiet time one day while he was home with me. So he was in his room having just some quiet time and playing some games on his little tablet that he has. And I was able to very quickly, clean and decorate these spaces. But we are going with the same lemon theme that we did in my last video, which was my summer kitchen decor. And so we're going to carry that lemon theme into the living room and just give it a really bright and summery feel. Here in the living room and entryway, I don't think I had any new pieces this year, so I'm just using pieces that I've gathered in years past. I love this table runner. I found it years ago at HomeGoods, and I love like the little buffalo check trim that it has, the lemons, and then it has honeybees on it as well. So you will see a few other bee themed items in these spaces. But here I've added a little lemon tray. I actually got that at Hobby Lobby, and that's what I'm going to set my wax wax melter on. And I've put a lemon scented wax in there, and it smells so good. Okay, as you can see, we are moving on to my tiered tray. I did not pre-practice any decorating for today's video, so you are pretty much watching me do it in real time. Of course, I cut things down for editing just because it took me about an hour to film this video on this day. So yeah, you guys don't want to watch an entire hour of footage. So it is cut down, but most of it is in real time. But for the tiered tray, I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. This is a smaller tiered tray, so it's not too hard to decorate. And we're just adding some yellow, some lemon themed items, some fresh greenery, and it turns out really cute. as you can see, decorating this tier tray was a lot of trial and error. It did take me quite a few minutes to kind of figure out the placement of everything and how I wanted it to look. But again, I really love how it turned out. I love doing this lemon theme for so many reasons, but I think it's just the fresh colors, the bright colors, and it just makes the house look so summery. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. Moving on to the base of the entryway table, I'm pretty much keep this the same pretty much year round. I just kind of switch out what's in this basket. And for early summer, I decided to just put a couple of pillows in here to kind of carry the lemon theme, and that gray velvety pillow really ties in with the gray buffalo check trim on the table runner. So yeah, just trying to tie everything together to create a cohesive look. Okay, we are moving on to the main area of the living room. So as you can see, the entry table kind of sits behind the couch over by our front door. And I love that little vignette that it creates back behind the couch. But we're keeping the couch area pretty simple. I don't do tons of decorating because we do have a 3-year-old who loves to run and jump on the couch, go crazy on the couch, climb all over it, take all my pillows off and stack them up in the floor. You know the drill if you have kids. I'm sure you can tell. But I added just a little basket. I keep that basket on the end table actually, but I just filled it with some faux lemons. I had some extra ones laying around after decorating the kitchen. So I decided that would be a perfect way to use those. And then I'm just going to straighten up the couch cushions here and add, I think, just one pillow and switch out my throw blanket. Moving forward throughout the next few weeks, I'm trying to kind of think of some content ideas. I'm not going to be doing any more decorating videos until I do my patriotic decor. Again, I'm going to try to do that probably closer to the end of June, like right before 4th of July. And I'll leave that those decorations out for 2 or 3 weeks probably after the 4th. So, but coming up, I'm thinking about filming like a day in the lifestyle video soon, just kind of a summer day in the life, give you some updates on especially some of my plants, maybe like a plant tour, a garden tour, something like that if you guys would like to see that. So let me know in the comments below if you have any video requests for the next few weeks. We have moved on to my antique corner cabinet, and again, lots of trial and error with this space as well, just because I usually pre-practice and kind of have everything laid out so I can just like decorate it and knock it out. You can see me here talking to Grant as well. He was asking if his quiet time was over, and I'm like, I'm so close to being done, just give me like 10 more minutes. But yeah, so again, lots of trial and error, but this is just real life, and this is how it really how my decorating process really goes. But I do love this corner cabinet and the way it turns out. I actually put a battery operated candle in this little honeybee, I don't know what you call that. What do you call like a candle holder, I guess? I don't know, you guys. It's late. It's like 8:30 at night and I'm done for the day, but yeah, but the glow of that in the evenings, I'm all about the ambient lighting in the evenings nowadays. I used to only kind of focus on that in the fall and winter months, but doing it this summer has been so awesome. I just love that extra glow. But anyways, I digress. I will let you guys enjoy the music and the decorating. This is the last thing that you're gonna see me decorate here in today's video, but I had these little mini wreaths that I wasn't using and I decided to try them here on these arches, and I actually really like how it turned out, and I could see maybe doing some fall and Christmas/winter wreaths on these throughout the year. So let me know in the comments if you guys like that. But I'm going to leave you guys with the final looks of everything, and then I'll check back in with you at the end of the video. Okay guys, that is going to wrap up today's clean and decorate with me here in the living room and entryway. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click that red subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Here at Kindly Katey, I do lots of seasonal decorating, cleaning, and mom life videos, and I would love to have you join me. Alright guys, I'll see you very soon with a brand new video. Bye!